Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we'll unbox Lenovo ThinkBook. This is a i7. You can see the specs here. It's an i7 2.8 gigahertz processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and 512 GB of SSD. And other things are Windows 10 Pro, FHD display, IPS panel, all those things, and the color is mineral gray. And this I recently received, so let's see how it looks like. So I'll not use the knife, I just opened it already. I mean just the seal, not the entire box. So let's open and see what's in store. Okay, this is a typical Lenovo packaging that we have. So let me first see the accessories, what they have. Charger, the power block cord. The charger is a USB-C type, you can see it here. And the power block, let me see what it says. Let me open it and see. I think it would be the standard 65 watt adapter. It's not mentioned here somewhere. I don't know whether you can see it. It's a 65 watt adapter. You can see it here. Is that the? Yep, this one. Okay, so let's keep it aside. Power cord, we'll keep it aside. Now let's see the main unit. So seems to be a. Okay, I'll just throw it away. Then this is the machine. Let me take it off and I'll just keep it aside for a while. Let's see what's inside. User manual, safety regulation manual, I believe. Yeah, that's it. Nothing much, that's it. So we'll keep the box aside and let's focus on to the machine. Seems to be pretty good. Oh, I must say it's heavier than the ThinkPad that I have. I do have a X390 and a T4 490 as well. And sorry, a T14 I have. So it seems to be, the build quality seems to be good. Seems to be some sort of alloy or metal, something like that. Color seems to be very nice. Let's not waste time. Let's open the screen and see. Okay, I'll keep this keyboard cover aside. So this is the machine. This is a 13-inch screen. You can see a shutter here. So I'll close the shutter and let me try to turn on the machine. Nope, it requires the charger to be connected for the first time. I'll just connect the charger, give me a moment. We do have slots here. You can see two USB-C types, one HDMI, a USB-A type port. You have a headphone jack, you have a battery indicator here, and I believe this is the mic, internal mic. And on the other side, what do we have? We have a LAN port. Interestingly, on these machines, the 13 inches, you usually don't get the LAN port, but Lenovo seems to be providing this on this machine. Then you have a general USB-A type port. Then you have a card reader as well. This seems to be pretty interesting. On the back, let's see what do we have here. Here we don't have anything. I was expecting a SIM slot, a WLAN port. It's not there. Then the basic air ones are here. I think the speakers are placed here and here. And this, you can see the machine. So let's turn it on. I'll just plug in this. Okay, there goes the indication. We'll turn it on and see how it goes. I accidentally pressed this button. I thought this is the button, but it shows it's fingerprint enabled. This is the first boot screen. overall build quality seems to be good, but I am not really sure how we can compare it with a ThinkPad. This is a different series. This is a ThinkBook. It's not the ThinkPad. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing part. I'll not go into the initial setup and all, as you are all aware how the initial setup works on a Windows based machine. So I'll skip this. I'm gonna end the video here itself. So please like, subscribe this channel, and we'll come back with more videos. Thank you.